Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can update the firmware on your 8BitDo controller, which is going to be this one. So first things first, let's head over to the Ultimate Software 8BitDo, and in here you could just go ahead and look for the right model that you are using. So in my case, I'm using the Ultimate 2C wireless controller. So I'll just simply click on it. It will download it onto my Windows right here. And of course, right after, let's then extract it onto our folder. Wait for it to finish. Open it up. And inside, let's then open up the 8BitDo application. So in my case, it's going to be the 8BitDo Ultimate Software V2. And then after making sure that you have plugged your controller right here, you will be able to see the firmware button. So just click on it. But in order for it to work, you actually have to use a USB cable in order for your computer to transfer files onto the actual controller. In my case, I'm using my USB cable for my camera right here, so I cannot plug it right now. But just plug it on, click on the OK button, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.